DOS Trader Tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to fix the two main reasons that your charts might have very small candlesticks or candlesticks that you can't even see. And it's a very simple fix in the configuration settings of both the price studies and other studies that show on your chart. So open up your DOS Trader Pro. And if you've ever had a chart that looks like this, it can be very frustrating if you're new and you don't know what to do. But it's very, very simple. Right-click on your chart, click Study Config, and you will have price candle in your studies and chart. Click Config X. Make sure that Include in Scale is checked. Click Commit, and now you will have the chart how you want it, okay? Very simple fix. Now let's look at another chart and another issue you might have. Look at all this empty space up here and how small the candlesticks are. This is a different issue but with a very similar solution. Right-click on your chart, click Study Config. Now on all of your studies other than price, you need to make sure that the Config X option is correct. So let's click on the Simple 200 or whatever studies you have, click Config X. If it says Include in Scale, what that does is it forces the chart to show the 200 moving average in this box no matter how far away it is. So you see this orange line, that's my 200. That doesn't need to be in this chart, but it is because it's included in the scale. So unclick that, click Commit, and do that for all of your studies in here. I'll do it for the 50. It's not clicked, perfect. Let's do it for the price marker, click Config X, that's included in scale. So that's forcing it to show this red and blue line, which are yesterday's close and open. So make sure you unselect this, click Commit, and now you can see it's not forcing the chart to show those lines when I don't need to because the price is so far away. I can still zoom out to see them, but if I want to zoom in closer, I can get closer to the candles and see them how they are intended to be seen. So if you have any questions on this or any other issues that this doesn't solve, please ask in the comments or in our forum page or in the chat. Thank you.